Studying any kind of engineering is demanding, but there are ways to make the process easier. One of them is to make the note-taking process more efficient. Let me show you the note-taking tricks that helped me a lot during my studying automation engineering at Aalto University. But before that, don't forget to punch the like and subscribe buttons. It's extremely easy on smartphones, as you need only to tap twice. This will ensure you get more useful content like this. For making notes, I use a drawing tablet, stylus and a laptop. But you can use a tablet and stylus or a laptop and stylus if you are lucky to have a laptop with a touchscreen. You might wonder, why do I use a drawing tablet? When you want to take notes, you have 4 options. You can write it on paper, you can type it using the device you have, you can handwrite using a stylus, and you can combine all the best parts and handwrite using stylus and type using the device. I try to avoid the use of paper, and there's 2 reasons for that. First, it reduces the environmental impact of paper production. Secondly, it is much easier to organize notes and information in a digital form. Finding a specific paper note from a drawer is a hard task. Having everything in digital form in well-organized folders makes use of notes much easier. Also, I can Google anything using paper, so 10 points to the devices again. For note-taking, handwriting would be the best option, as research shows that you will remember most stuff if you wrote it with your hand. Nevertheless, typing on your keyboard is the fastest way to write some notes down. Especially while doing my homework, I prefer to type as much as possible, as it helps me to complete the task faster. I assume you already have a laptop, so buying a drawing tablet for about 30 euros or bucks could be considered a budget-friendly option. The most convenient option will be a laptop with a touchscreen and a stylus, so you can type, handwrite and draw something using the same device. Alright, when the device option is chosen, then it's time to choose your app. There are tons of apps for every taste, but I found OneNote to be the most convenient for me. OneNote is kinda Word or Docs, but with extra functionalities. If you don't know what these are, then you're probably taking your notes straight into C++ code, and this video will have no value for you. Sorry. For example, it's pretty easy to structure my notes, as I can have multiple notebooks, which contain multiple folders, which contain multiple documents. I love it. In the document I can type, dictate and draw using different colors. But my favorite feature is that I can draw whatever I want using the drawing tablet and my stylus. So here's my setup, here's my laptop, drawing tablet and stylus. Drawing tablet is connected to the laptop, the USB cord, and here in OneNote it's open. As you can see, here's some stuff I draw with my hand, there's some text I typed, and there's some pictures pasted straight here, and now I can just draw anything with my tablet. Yeah, that's pretty much how it works, so it's pretty easy to use it doing homework or on the lectures. If I have some table, I can just put it here and draw something or type, do notes. As you can see here, also some folders. There's few notebooks. In notebooks I have other notebooks. For example, this VPT, wireless power transfer, and I have documents here. And these control systems, for example, I have homework here and some images cropped, some text. Here I got using my drawing tablet. It will be hard to type it, so this is one of the benefits of the drawing tablet here. It's pretty easy to synchronize them and organize my notes, as I have all these courses here. Each courses have some documents telling what it is. Is it homework or something? Some work related stuff, some random folders. So easy to organize and easy to draw. Especially in math, physics and circuit analysis courses, sometimes I need to draw some Greek letters, diagrams or just sketch to better understand the topic. That's why a stylus was such a game changer for me, as I can draw anything or reproduce any symbol in the same document where I have all my typing. I also like that all the notes are cloud syncing. That means that I can just log in into my account using university computer and all my notes and homework will be available. At Aalto University, we often need to send completed exercises to a course platform folder or through email. Another benefit of using a digital app for homework is that I can download my document in a PDF format and send it anywhere. I would say there are mainly two different situations when I need to take notes using OneNote and my drawing tablet. These are when I'm at a lecture or doing my homework or some other work tasks. Here are my favorite working practices for efficient note-taking during lectures. First, find a document telling what topics a future lecture will include. Then open OneNote and write a few bullet points of the document to a new note. That will help you to prepare for the lecture and grasp the topic. During lectures, you can type or handwrite to this note. Remember though, it's not a good idea to type everything down, as you will be too busy with writing and won't think about the information you are given. Instead, try to find the main points and filter a little bit the stuff a lecturer is telling. With this method, you will even end up remembering something after lectures, as you did some work reshaping the data into juicy nuggets of knowledge. When it's homework time, I usually copy-paste all the theory needed and assignments, so I have all the useful information in the same document. After that, I follow the assignment step by step. I usually type and draw in the homework document. The drawing feature is especially useful when I need to draw some special symbol or an electrical circuit diagram. I also can take screenshot of some pictures or diagrams from studying material and paste them straight into my notes. After homework is done, I save the file as a PDF document and send it for evaluation. That's it. Feel free to share your opinion on the things I covered. It will be great to hear your tips and tricks for studying. Also, if you want to learn more about studying in Finland, don't hesitate to check my other studying and engineering related videos. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons, as it will ensure that you will get more useful content like this. This video is done in cooperation with Aalto University, and in the video description you can find links to Aalto website and YouTube channel. See you later!